Lightweight 1.8 kilograms and 15 mm in Teclast F15 notebook made of the metal. 7 mm narrow bezel slim design and eye-catching IPS screen. Smooth touchpad. 5 sets of common interfaces such as 2 USB 3.0, HDMI, micro SD card slot, charging port and audio jack, now available for the first 2 buyers at $280 instead of the original price of $400 US. But don't worry, for those who don't manage to buy it on time, the notebook will be offered later at $320 US. The notebook processing on Intel 4100, quad-core 2.4 GHz boost mode. The 9th generation Intel UHD 600 graphics for 4K video decoding and encoding works. Therefore, the GPU is only suited for some shallow demanding games like Dirt Rally or Sims 4. For casual computing tasks like web surfing and office work, 15.6-inch IPS screen with a resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels. Intel UHD 600 GPU, 256GB of SSD memory and soldered 8GB of RAM. 2 megapixels camera for video calls and decent keyboard of Teclast F15 use keys with white lettering. The keyboard layout comes with a typical QWERTY design. The notebook comes with the pre-installed Windows 10 in the English language. And for those who wants to change the system language, they can do within the Windows setting. The 5500 mAh Li-ion polymer battery of notebook with my test lasted for 5 hours. For schools and office works and things like spreadsheets and video editing, there is no good replacement like Teclast F15.